So first I'm going to show you how to lift up the tank. First thing is to take out the screws here and on the other side. I've took out the other side already, the screw. So I'm just going to remove the panel. Remove the panel. Do the same on the next side. Remove the screw and also the panel. Now remove the seat. Then there's one bolt up here that holds the gas tank in. So I'll remove that. I pre-loosened the bolts already so it wouldn't take so long. And then there's this that's normally in the tail, in the rear tail. This kind of props the tank up. And that's going to end this portion of the video of how to prop up the tank. Okay, so I'm back. So for this portion of the video, we're going to actually take off the airbox. To take off the airbox, we're going to have to remove this hose here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's on the left side. This hose. Just pull this off the little, pull this thing off the little bracket. And then we're going to have to unscrew. We're going to have to unscrew this right here. You guys can see this, a little Phillips screwdriver. It's going to be 3 of them. No, sorry. It's going to be one on this side and one on the other side. I've already loosened the other side for the sake of the video. So now let me start removing these holes. So this hose over here, it's like a little clip on it, a little metal clip that holds it. I normally use my hand, just pinch it and pull it down, and then it's just a matter of just pulling the rubber hose down, see? This one right here is the same thing. It's a little metal pin. You just squeeze it together, pull it down. Once it gets off the rubber, then you pull that down. And then we already pulled this off. Then, this need to take this little clip off right here. And then there's another hose right here. I missed this one. Just pull it together with your finger. Then you kind of rock it off. It might be a little stuck, so you might have to play with it. Or use a needle nose pliers and kind of twist it to loosen it, and then squeeze that off. So then it's just a matter of this Phillips screwdriver, I'm loosening this so it will come off. I normally do about 40 to 50 turns. I also took the other side off just for save time in the video. I know you guys don't want to sit there. Watch me turn after turn after turn. But the other one on the other side is on the same position as the opposite side. For me, it's normally about 40 to 50 turns. Oh, and there's one more item I forgot. It's this little bolt right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there, you see, right there, it's a little bolt that holds the top of it. So I'm going to remove that. Back here. Unscrew it some more. Thought I did it like 50 turns. Okay. That's how you remove the airbox. Alright, so I'm back. So I'm going to show you guys how to take apart the airbox. It's just a Phillips head screwdrivers you need. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then one in the middle. So I remove them. This will definitely be faster with one of those battery powered tool. I'm almost there though. There you go. That's it. I have a K&N air filter, then it's just a matter of just popping out the filter and cleaning it. I might do a different section on cleaning it, but reinstallation is the opposite of removal. Just put back in the filter, lock back up the airbox, and then put back in the screws. Alright, thanks.